Maddie, look over there. No, Barbie, keep going over here. Oh, you want to go on the grass?
I love that one!
Want to go get that one over there? Go.
Jackson, ready?
Maddie, right here.
For that one, honey. Here, Jackson's giving it to you, babe. Thank you, honey. There
Good.
wasn't a lot.
Good job.
Only a dozen.
You want this one? Why not? I'll get it for you.
Oh, there's another.
Can you find some more, Maddie?
I have no clue. I just don't have time to stop. Oh, thanks for giving me a hint.
Maddie, come here. Maddie, come on. Hurry. Look at that one. What's that? Get that one.
Look at Red.
What's in your basket?
Red, what are you doing?
What's in your wallet?
Where did that one come
What's
from?
Red chewing?
It's hard to find.
see?
Some of these are don't look like eggs.
Wow. Oh, it's a bone. Get it. I don't want him chewing that small bone. He'll break up and he'll choke on it.
Thank you. Are you done?
No, don't throw. Oh, just bring it to me. I'll put it up here.
Maddie.
Yeah, I can see you doing that.
Maddie, come here. Look in here.
That was funny.
Good job.
Good
job, Maddie!
12.
All
More
right.
than 12. Or maybe 24? I don't know.
How much you get, Jackson?
The packet only have 1, 2.
Wow, good job. You got a big one.
Don't go that way, dog poop. Come here. Come here. Come here.
Maddie, come on up here.
Stay over here. Sure, where's your basket? Hold on, my hand's on that.
Maddie, come here.
Oh, my hand's on that big one.
Say Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
Oh, buddy.
You won. Can I help you?
Somebody get the big loot.
What? What? Right there.
Wow. You made out like a band-aid. Jonah got $1.
Nice.
Good job.
For me? Thank you. Put it in your pile.
Did you get the cents? No, I actually looked at 7:30-ish to give her to.
Squeeze it, Maddie.
So I'm wondering if I could just drop Jackson over to school.
Squeeze it. You gonna open it?
Then. Okay, you're
Yeah, he's okay.
He's just faking it.
Okay. Here you go.
Knickers. Are those dark chocolate covers?
Here, try opening up this one. Okay. I know, Red is dying. I'll give you
Is that her?
Ooh, a Twix.
Yes.
A Twix, yummy.
Thank you. Oh, good. I needed this kind of candy. What's in there?
Hey!
Let's see. Can you open that one? Remember, squeeze.
How much money? 5 money.
It is 5. Yay!
Look at her face.
Okay. Now squeeze.
You did.
Oh.
Oh, is that money? Money! Put that in the stock market. It's going crazy now.
Do you like that kind of?
Look at this. How much? What is that number?
That is branded by
Oh, $1.
100.
Good work.
What are you gonna buy with your money?
New pie.
Oh, cool.
Standard answer. Nail polish.